So when I started Lincoln Repair, it all kind of started as I'm going to fix cars and I'm going to take care of my friends. And since then I've realized it can grow to be so much more, and there's so many more people that want to be a part of this. We've developed a team of people. It's not just me, and my whole team is on board with, we want to change the industry, we want to change the way people feel about auto repair. It's never comfortable, it's never convenient. We see our goal as being able to make it as convenient as possible for you and as painless as possible. I think people like Lincoln Repair because of the team that we built and the way we interact with people. I love the community, I love Bismarck, Mandan, Lincoln. I love how tight-knit everybody is and how everybody's so friendly with each other. Whether you're walking through Walmart and I run into a customer, or sitting at a Bobcats game, playing at the park, going to the gym, everybody's turning into family.